According to the Foreign Ministry, the Minister of Culture of Kyrgyzstan, Kairat Imanaliyev, met with the Special Representative of the President of Russia for International Cultural Cooperation, Mikhail Shvitsky. The parties discussed the implementation of agreements between the head of the two countries on the planned activities within the framework of the cross-year of Kyrgyzstan in Russia and Russia in Kyrgyzstan. The preliminary dates of the Days of Russian Culture in Kyrgyzstan in August and the Days of Cinema of the Kyrgyz Republic in the Russian Federation in the autumn have also been agreed. The parties agreed to hold a joint event in Russia on the occasion of the 80th anniversary of the Soviet Kyrgyz and Russian cultural figure Bulat Mingelkiev. During his visit to Moscow, Kairat Imanaliyev also met with the head of the Shetkin Higher Theatre Institute. The parties agreed on the training of 25 personnel for the theatrical art and assistance in creating conditions for training and accommodation of students.